Hey guys, for this next article, we're going to have to understand a concept called the bad banks, and we're going to do that in immense detail. So, we'll try and dissect this concept by way of several questions around it. So, without further ado, let's get to it. So, the concept that we need to know thoroughly before we get to this article is that of bad banks. And the first question that we need to understand is, what really are bad banks? Bad banks are those banks that purchase, and please focus on this word because this is important to know, they purchase or buy bad loans from banks. What are bad loans? Bad loans are basically those loans which are not going to get repaid. So oftentimes there will be situations when the banks realize that certain loans are not coming back, they're not going to get repaid. Not because the intent of the person was to just borrow money and fly away with it, but because circumstances have changed. Future is something which we all know is an uncertain territory, and going into future, things have become such that the person is unable to pay the loan. Take for example the recent case of coronavirus. In a situation like that, it was very difficult for a lot of businesses to thrive because there was lockdown, most of the people were indoors, and there was very little spending and things like that, as a result of which businesses saw a very, very bad time. And in situations like this, a lot of people who had picked up a loan from the bank thinking that they would be able to repay them as soon as they start earning, they realize that that's going to take a longer while, and sometimes that is going to never come back at all. So in a situation of this sort, what is it that the bank eventually comes to terms with is that certain of these loans are not going to come back at all. Usually in case of, say, a bankruptcy, usually in case when a company goes completely bust or bankrupt, it is not possible for the borrower to pay that money back. So it is these circumstances that we are talking about when the person is not able to pay the bank, and the bank, despite its various tries to recover that money, fails to do so. So this money now gets termed as a bad loan, and the bank is left with no choice but to park it in one corner of their books, although it looks terrible on their books, but that is what the reality is. Unless you have something like a bad bank, where the bank can sell off these bad loans and feel a lot more at ease, because these loans are no longer theirs, but they belong to the bad banks who have purchased it, which means these loans, which are bad in nature, which have very little chance of getting recovered or almost no chance of getting recovered, belongs to another bank which was the bad bank. And now it's the bad bank's responsibility to do whatever they will with that. And in return, the bad banks have paid them off, and so the bank has some amount of money as opposed to the entire amount of money, and hence they're in a much better off position. So this is what a bad bank does.
Do you read newspapers? We didn't think so either. What if you had an expert from every field to explain ideas and topics from their domain in a matter that is so simple that even a 10-year-old can learn just as easily as any of you adult heads? Well, here's introducing Smarticles by Reading Right. Smart news articles explained by rigorously well-read field experts. After a careful selection, these articles have been made available to you in its original form from the only hand-picked worthy publications, while the explanations are inserted on it using an unmatched technology. So now, you can learn word meanings, understand a concept, or get detailed text and video explanations to any line in the article just by a simple tap right there. And we guarantee that you will never feel lost about any topic anymore, even if you don't read newspapers at all. Get ready to smart, only with Reading Right. Statutory warning: not everyone can handle this level of smart, so log on to web.readingright.in or download the Reading Right app from Play Store or App Store at your own risk.